What's good, people? Alright, moving picker back again. Gonna do a stock lock Sunday video. Yes, same day as all my other videos, hence the printer in the background. Yeah. Gonna pick, well, first of all, go check out Discord. Link is in the description below. Great people there, great pickers, great community. No, I'm not saying it because I started that one, but there are a lot of great people there to, talk to and just shoot the breeze with, whether you pick or not. A lot of knowledge. But we're gonna pick a U-change lock. I don't know if anybody else has ever picked one of these on camera. They're honestly not that hard to pick. I picked it when I first got it, but I didn't want to gut it. Still don't want to gut it. I do not know how these work. At least with the quick set smart keys, I have an idea of how they work and I can find something on them, but these, I got no idea. I don't know how these work. So, oh, I was out of frame. My fault. So we're gonna go ahead and pick that nice wide open keyway. And not much of a bidding. So let's go ahead and get set up. Let's see here. Let's do this. We're just gonna pretty much go through everything. Kind of have fun with this one. Alright. Quick little Bogota. Just really not much. This is an off-brand Bogota I've had laying around here for a while. Let's see. Where is the tension wrench I'm looking for? That's not it. I'm very organized when I make my videos. Can you tell? If your answer is anything other than yes, yeah, just shut up now. It was sarcastic. Alright, let's see if I can pick this open. I did pick this when I first got it from a locksmith buddy of mine when I was living back in Texas, and I haven't picked it since I've moved. There we go. And then, where did I put it? I've also got the change. I also made a changer for it too. And of course, camera shy, the changer doesn't want to work now. No, it's worked with the key in it before. There it is. Yeah, I've messed this part up before. I'll take and, like let the last pin drop or something. Now the key doesn't work. Probably gonna embarrass myself here and just you know, pretty much screw the pooch on this one. Yep. No, it doesn't work at all. We'll see what happens. Fun little locks. Only got the one. They could only afford to toss me the one because it was off of an old building. These things pick just like standard pins. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm gonna fix that up. Alright. Yeah, I just made my own tool, little wiper insert with a... had to narrow it down a little bit and thin it, and just put a maybe a 45-degree angle on the end of it, just to lift. It's like a sidebar almost. You're lifting up out of the way. But yeah, that's about it. I've actually run out of interesting locks to pick, so you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of more stockish locks than normal. I've got a couple of quick sets. I've got this thing. It's a Corbin Rust one, I think. I'll end up pinning up or something. So some random pins in it. But yeah, that's really all I got on this one. Not much to it. Maybe later on I'll make a video how to break it down after I do a little bit of research to figure it out myself. Until next time, folks, have a good one.